Today I'll walk you through exactly how to edit a page in WordPress using the classic editor. Whether you're updating an existing web page or creating something new, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to make content changes, add images, and ensure everything looks perfect before your updates go live. Let's dive right in. Once you're on your WordPress dashboard and you've opened the page you want to edit, you'll find yourself in what's called the visual editor. This editor is designed to look and feel a lot like the word processors you're already familiar with, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. It's very intuitive. What you see here closely matches how your content will display to readers on your website. So as you type, format, or rearrange items in this area, you're essentially shaping what your viewers will see. Now to adjust your content, look for the familiar toolbar at the top of the editing area. Here, where you can make text bold for emphasis, italicize key phrases for a softer touch, create bulleted or numbered lists to organize information, and even set headings for better structure. For example, if you're writing a blog post and want to break it up into sections, just highlight your section title and choose a heading style from the dropdown. Aligning your text is easy too. Use the icons for left, center, or right alignment to get things looking just right. If you ever wonder what a button does, just hover your mouse over it for a quick tooltip reminder. Of course, pages aren't just made up of text. You'll likely want to insert images or even a video. To do this, put your cursor exactly where you want the media to appear. Take a moment to check your placement, kind of like marking a spot in a scrapbook before gluing in your photo. Now click the Add Media button located just above the content box. From here, you can upload files directly from your computer or choose from the media you've already uploaded before. Once you've selected your image or file, click the Insert into Page button and voila, it'll drop right into place. Maybe you want even more control over your content structure. In the top right corner of the editing box, you'll notice two tabs, Visual and Text. By default, you're in Visual, but if you ever need to fine-tune the underlying HTML, maybe for embedding custom code or fixing a quirky format, just click over to the Text tab. Don't worry if the code looks intimidating. Switching back to Visual restores your friendly editor so you can experiment without fear. Now, before you publish, it's smart to review your changes. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Publish box with some important options. Click Preview Changes to open your page in a new tab and see exactly how everything will look live. This is your safety net. If something's not quite right, just hop back and adjust. In this box, you've also got Save Draft if you want to save your progress without making anything public just yet. And finally, once you're completely satisfied with your edits, give everything one last check. When you're sure, simply hit the blue Update button. Your changes will immediately be published to your live site. If you don't see your update right away, try refreshing your site. It sometimes takes a moment. That's all there is to it. Editing a page in WordPress's classic editor doesn't have to be intimidating. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.